Understanding Ephemeral Success. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might have come across in your English learning journey: ephemeral success. We're going to break down what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. Ephemeral success combines two words, ephemeral and success. Let's look at each word separately. Ephemeral. This adjective describes something that lasts for a very short time. It comes from a Greek word meaning lasting only one day. In English, it captures the idea of transience and fleetingness. Success, a noun that means the accomplishment of an aim or purpose. It's a positive outcome that you achieve after putting in effort or skill. When combined, ephemeral success refers to success that is short-lived or temporary. It's the kind of success that comes quickly but disappears just as fast. To understand ephemeral success better, let's look at some examples. 1. In the tech world, a new app might become incredibly popular overnight but then quickly lose users and fade into obscurity. This is a case of ephemeral success because the app's popularity was temporary. 2. In sports, an athlete might win a major competition but fail to maintain their performance level in subsequent events. Their moment of glory was ephemeral. 3. In entertainment, a song might hit the top of the charts for a week and then be forgotten. The song's success was fleeting. These examples show that ephemeral success can be exciting but also challenging because it doesn't last long. Now that you understand what ephemeral success means, let's practice using it. The startup realized that their initial popularity was an ephemeral success, prompting them to innovate continuously. Many artists fear ephemeral success, striving instead for a lasting impact on their audience. The team celebrated their victory, aware that in the world of sports, success can be ephemeral. Using ephemeral success in your sentences can add depth to your discussions about achievements and their permanence. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, ephemeral success, and how to use it in your English conversations. Remember, while some successes may be fleeting, the journey and lessons learned along the way are what truly enrich our experiences. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.